All right, let's crack a beer for luck and see what we can do about addressing this very cool belt buckle. Beer. All right, let's see here. So this belt buckle is sterling, made by Son of Bear. And in the previous video, I speculated that maybe a coin goes in here. And Dub C made a comment, maybe a coin goes in here. So we have coins. Let's pull out some stuff. I'm looking for one in particular. Doop, 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 doop. Hey, there we go. I think this is the guy. All right. Or I suppose I should say, I think this is the lady. Yeah. Let's have a look here. So when I got this, it was in a belt buckle. And as you can see, it was definitely in a belt buckle. So it's led a life. We're gonna set that aside. And I guess the question is, which side? I think this the face was up. You can see it's a little beveled around the edge there. I think that's what I'm seeing. Although, boy, I do like that. I don't know. I think the eagle might work a little bit better. So let's just take another swig for luck and have a look-see. Is this actually what belongs in here? Maybe not. Sure looks about right. Flip it over. I don't know. What do you folks think? You think that goes in there? I think if it does, let's see. Boy. Sure seems like it might, huh? I'm thinking that if I got a pair of pliers and did just a little bit, it would work. Well, let me go grab a little set of pliers and we'll have a look-see. And we're back with some pliers. A little bit of liquid courage here. All right. Let's see. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't want Son of Bear mad at me. I am no silversmith. Let's see. Were these just a little bits enough? Well, I think that if there was a coin in here, well... All right, so I think what we've discovered here is that this is just ever so slightly too small because of these embellishments. Or well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and say I love that. I love that a great deal. And what I don't know what do you guys think? So then the question is, could it be secured properly? I don't know. Shall we try? don't want to mar anything. So I'm going to pause it here, and I'm going to try to get a different tool. Okay, now I have something I'm a little more comfortable with. Well, there you go, Dub C. I think you are correct in that this is what was in here. And I think I just need to secure it a little bit more and a little bit better. And I think that's what someone dug out of this belt buckle. Maybe not a peace dollar. Maybe it was a Morgan. But that sure looks like we have a restored belt buckle, I think. I don't know. In any case, I would imagine that maybe this would need to be secured a little bit better with something else, or maybe just keep working on tamping this down. So if I've horrified any silversmiths out there, I apologize. I am actually quite pleased with the results that we have achieved this evening. So pleased that I'm going to actually upload this video, and I may bear the wrath of some silversmiths, but I mean, so just so you guys know, I bought this coin out of a belt bin where the belts were $1. And this belt buckle I actually found in a bag of broken jewelry, because it doesn't actually say sterling on it. It just says son of bear. The whole bag of jewelry was $5. So we have $6 invested in this, which is why, with the help of a little bit of my favorite logger, we undertook this evening. I hope you have enjoyed this, or at least not been horrified. If you have enjoyed, I will now chant the sacred YouTube liturgy. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I hope you have an excellent evening.